Next up, we're going to release a new version of our model. So I'm going to go to releases in my forked GitHub repo. I'm going to go create new release, and I'm going to fill out the details here. And what this is going to do is generate a new tag. And you'll recall that in our CircleCI config YAML file, we specified that whenever we cut a new tag, that's going to trigger our model publishing job. So I'll go publish release, and if we go back to the forked repo, we can see the CircleCI job has been kicked off as a result of creating that tag. Here are the different steps from our config. We first have the fetch data job, which runs through tox. Under the hood, this is using the Kaggle CLI to fetch the data. Okay, that command ran successfully, and then it's going to trigger the tests. So the tests ran okay, but there's been a problem here with publishing the model to Gemfury. So this is useful debugging, right? Let's have a look. Using bad or illegal format or missing URL. Okay, so this gets us thinking it's going to be something to do with publishing. And if we go to CircleCI here, we're missing the Gemfury push URL environment variable. You'll recall that in our publish script, it expects a Gemfury push URL, which is the same as the pip extra index URL. Added that now. I'm going to go back to CircleCI, and I'll trigger this job again here. You can just go rerun. I'll refresh the page, go rerun, and right, so now it's rerunning from the failed job. Tests are passing. Now we're triggering our publish script, and it's worked. Great, so in this case we were pushing a version that already exists, but the point is the publish script ran.